now that Logan's case has been stolen, he will continue to play until someone doesn't steal his case.
Who do you want to go up against now?
Kai.
Kai! What number do you want, Logan?
Lucky number 7. Let's go, Kai!
I want to make sure no one can see what's in this.
Kai, look at me. Also not safe.
Not safe?
You think he's being honest?
I'm gonna go with Steel, and let me tell you why.
Oh, didn't even ask him anything.
Growing up, I've been watching Logan since he started YouTube. I know he acts in such situations. You can't fool me, bro.
You're that confident.
Briefcase! How you open this?
You,
It is safe!
he read Logan like a book.
Oh my God.
Wow!
My heart is racing so fast right now.
Ludwig. It's you.
For this one, Logan, because you said your heart was racing,
Do you mind putting on this Samsung Galaxy ring?
I don't mind.
I want to measure your heart rate. And Luddy, do you mind putting this ring on?
Yeah, no worries.
We'll be able to see it in real time.
Yeah, that's right. We're going to use the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 to track the players' heart rates as they try to bluff each other.
Logan's 106.